climb, Nathan.
Here we have some boys. You're a good climber. You can do it.
The mountain.
Good job. Oh, you're almost there, Jacob. You can do it. You can do it. You can do it. You got it. Oh, can you do it? You're almost there.
Did it.
You did it. Can you look at Mommy? Oh, you just want to slide down. Fun.
Nathan.
Nathan, okay.